Hi everyone, welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. I make videos in Russian and English, and my videos are all about cross-stitching, and my name is Leslie, so welcome. Today I've received 2 of my packages. I've ordered a lot of cross-stitching materials and cross-stitching kits and charts, and I wanted to show you them. I have 2 packages, and one is from Russia and the other one is from USA. So I'm gonna open them together with you so you can see what I have ordered, and I hope you like it and enjoy it. So stay tuned. So let's start with the first cross-stitch package, and this was from cross-stitch kits from Russia. This is the first one. This is from Maker's Magic Needle. A very beautiful winter day before Christmas, and I really like this because it has so many colors. And usually when you cross-stitch something like wintry, something like winter, they have a lot of white, and I hate cross-stitching with white floss. So this one has a lot of color, and I like that the people in this cross-stitch kit, they have colorful, very colorful clothes. This is, the finished size is 18 by 12 inches. It has 35 colors. And this is not DMC floss, this is Gamma floss. This is Russian made. And the chart is very well made. It's in color, easy to follow. This one was by Letty Stitch. Very nice summer kit. Great to cross stitch in summer. Like Victorian pony ride, something like this. It has ankle floss, and I think this kit is made in Moldova, but they use very good quality floss and good quality fabric. This is Ada fabric by Zweigart. Next, this is Alisa. Beautiful peonies, beautiful flowers. It's kind of big. It's like 40 by 30 centimeters. I'm not sure how much that is in inches. Sorry about that. Very nice chart. This is also by, manufacturer name is Alisa. Beautiful tulips. This is big as well. This is the same manufacturer, Alisa. Beautiful sunflowers. I'm not really crazy about the chart here. I'm going to be changing stuff in this chart, but I will be making a separate video about it, what I'm going to change in this cross-stitch kit, specifically in the chart. This is by magic needle. It's like a very nice porch with beautiful flowers. And this is 6 by 9 inches, 39 colors. It's Gamma floss, Russian floss. And the last one, lilac flowers. This is by Magic Needle. This is 15 by 14 inches, 41 colors. And this kit is kind of heavy, a lot of floss in it. I love when charts are in color and not in black and white. Okay, this was the first package. Next package, the one that I ordered from USA. I ordered 3 of these floss away bags. And I use this to keep my DMC floss when it's left over, like from a project where there's a lot of it left over. So I can keep this in a little Ziploc bag, and I write the number of the color. And you can have it like in a ring. I don't know if you see it. So I bought 3 of these, and every one of these contains 100 Ziploc mini bags. This is 5 by 3 inches. Next, these little scissors. They were kind of cheap, but I read really good reviews about these scissors. They just were about $5, not much. This is needles by Anchor. I've never used them before, so I was very curious. I need to try them out. I also bought these project cards. This is by Lorraine. MasterCard. It's for floss. And there are about 3 of them in this package. And then I bought two charts. This is by Hands On Design, and I bought a few of them in the past, and I really like them. You cross stitch them on black fabric, like Winter Wonderland Farm. Really like their farms. I actually cross stitched one of them, and I have it on my YouTube channel, so check it out. This is the chart in black and white, 2 pages. And the last chart. This is Seaside Light. And this is what the chart looks like. I read the reviews for this chart, and many people wrote that the chart is not very well made. But I don't know. I have to give it a try and see what happens. So this was it. Let me know what you think about all my cross stitch kits and accessories and charts that I bought. Did you like any of them? Let me know in the comment section below. And subscribe, because I have so many more videos to come. So many more interesting stuff. And hope you have a great day and a great week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.